I love this sunburnt country. I'm back in Mount Isa at Tom and Molly's. Charlie and Shane have been working flat out for the last couple of days. The question is, have they managed to turn it from ravaged to revamped? Blimey, this has very quickly become the star of the street. Nothing like a fresh coat of paint to attract attention. And check out the new gravel driveway. Perfect for Tom's big toys. Oh, the living room has gone from bland to beautiful. What a transformation. New flooring, window treatments, paint and some styling. The blaze strikes again. The master bedroom was once dreary and, dare I say, a tad dusty. But look at this, a complete tidy-up. This boudoir is certainly fit for Mount Isa's mining magnate. Shayna's Midas touch has also extended to the 2 kids' bedrooms. Finally, a deck with oodles of entertaining options. And what excites me even more is the backdrop. Is that green grass I can see? This was an absolute dust heap, and now I feel like I'm back in the motherland. Nothing like a good old-fashioned selling houses makeover, from dusty and drab to positively sparkling, just like the minerals that this area was built upon. Let's hope we can share in a bit of that wealth.